Thank you very much. I'm called Donata Bor. I'm student at SAFNU. I'm here, Career University, Kepler program. I'm going to talk about on the project which called It's Your Function, presented by Donata Bor, done on 29th, 2021. So this project have overview. The first overview is the definition and its function of planning, organizing, staffing, reading, controlling. Also, we have management style of directing, delegating, discussing. Also, we have the reference of this project. So let me start on the planning, on the definition of planning and its function. The planning is a management role that entire setting goal and deciding on course of action to achieve those objectives. To mean that in the planning, a manager have the role to set activities to know how the employee will achieve or they will accomplish the task that they have set. Also, here we have the function of planning. The planning can help the organization of various departments work together and coordinate their efforts to mean, and the planning help organization to collaborate or to collaborate among them as employees. Also, we have organizing. Also, in organizing, we have the definition and its function. So, organizing is a management function that includes building and organizational framework and allocating human resource to ensure that priorities are met. So we have the function of organizing. Organizing provides the basic for companies' priorities and goals to be met. Also, we have staffing. Staffing is a management term that refers to the process of hiring workers, assessing their qualifications and knowledge, and then assigning them to particular job position. So, staffing have different functions. Here we have staffing helps to fill the role for by obtaining the components. A personal also staffing help us to placing the right person at the right job. Also, it helps us to growth of enterprise. So we have reading. Here we have the definition of reading and its function. So reading is the use of power to inspire workers to accomplish organizational objectives. Also, here we have the functions of readings. Reading help to motivate employees. Also, it helps us to influence employees. Also, it helps us to form effective groups. Also, controlling, here we have the definition of controlling and its functioning. So, controlling involves keeping track of employees' behavior, assessing whether the company is on track to achieve its target, and making appropriate changes. Also, controlling play big playing a great role in the organization because it's controlling to identify and correct errors as well as advising us about how to meet or overcome mutual challenge or to handle the issue that happen in the organization. Also, we have directing style. Directing style, we have communication. In communication, this happen in one way. It means that this from manager to employee. Also, we have coaching. This happen when manager want to tell employees what they need to change. Also, we have decision making. This happens when manager defines the problem, evaluate option, and make a decision as the best solution of the problem. Also, we have recognition. This happens when a manager commends worker for following instruction and completing task correctly. Also, we have strength and weakness of directing. So let me start on strength. Strength of directing. The major strength of the directing style is forceful. Also, other strength is decisive. Also, we have weakness of directing. The weakness of director style is to focus other thoughts instead of making own decision. Again, directors do not do a very good job of making their subordinates. Also, we have directing scenario. Here, Kadiama is a manager of civil company that produced timbers. Last year, they faced with criticism from people who complained that this company provides fake timbers. So in that time, as a manager, prepare the quick meet to all employees by learning how they can handle the issue that they faced. So he told them that they didn't collaborate effectively as one team. Apart from that, a manager told them that the criticism comes from how they have using wrong trees that can provide the bad quality of timbers. After of this, he decided to choose one employee who had the responsibility to search trees that can provide the trees which has good quality of timbers. By now, the criticism was earned due to collaborate as a team and fulfill their responsibilities. So we have the discussion style. In the discussion style, you have communication. This happens among employees or among employees and managers. Also, you have coaching. This happens when the manager asks different questions that require employees to evaluate their own performance. Also, we have decision making. This happens when manager and employees collaborate and work together to define problems and knowing the best solution based on the problem. Also, we have recognition is how employees who express their idea clearly and succinctly. Also, we have strength and weakness of discussing. So the strength is to collaborate, to creative, innovative. Also, weakness is disorganized, lack of focus. Also, we are not comfortable taking risk. Also, here we have scenario. Kanyamisha's company is a business that produces sorghum beer. Last year, manager and employees prepare a meeting to learn about how they can increase customers. As a manager, ask employees the strategy that they can use in order to increase customers as well as profit. One employee replied that the strategy that can be used to collaborate and communicate effectively as a team as well as working hard. Other one said that they have to set specific profit that they can the specific profit that they have to earn per month. So this surprised the manager after he promised them that after reaching on their goal of increasing customers as well as profits, so their salary will be increased. Also, we have delegating style. So in the delegating style, we have communication. This happens when managers set tasks for workers to perform individually or in small groups. Also, we have coaching. This happens when employee achieved and accomplish his or her task by self-coach. Also, we have decision making. This happens when employees create priorities and make a plan and solve a problem on their own. Also, we have recognition. Here, employees who work well individually, meet deadline and produce high quality work are often rewarded and with recognition and other benefits. Also, we have strength and weakness of delegating. Strength, delegating help employees to learn new skills. Also, it helps employees trust each other. Also, the weakness of delegating, it causes employees to have multitask. Also, delegating causes employees to lose experience. Also, we have a delegating scenario. It is a company, they produce open shoes. At that time, this company want to expand this company by producing other kind of shoes like closed shoes. Even though they are going to produce new version of shoes, though they don't yet produce before. Name and Ngabire don't know the procedure that they can use and asking many questions related to how they can produce them. Manager of company explain them and they are able to understand well all procedures. So the manager led them to work independently by starting to do those new version of shoes. They did a great job because the cross shoes that they did were sold by many people, and still now the customers are increasing due to new version of shoes they produced. Finally, manager give them the laptop as the reward or gift to Ngabire and Neema because they did great job. Thank you. Finally, we have reference of my work.